The deer management program is implemented on public lands in Fairfax County, primarily county parks. It's implemented through the Fairfax County Police Department in collaboration with the Fairfax County Park Authority and the Northern Virginia Regional Park Authority. The Virginia Department of Game and Inland Fisheries really sets the framework for deer management within the Commonwealth. They're the main regulatory agency for wildlife, and they determine the approved management methods that can be used for deer management, as well as setting seasons and bag limits related to deer management. Within Fairfax County, the approved management methods that we use are archery, managed hunting, and sharpshooting through the police department. Archery is the primary management method that we use here in Fairfax County. It's compatible use with residential areas as well as community parks, so we can safely implement this program while parks remain open to the public. The archery program is run typically from September through February annually within Fairfax County. Hunting within the archery program is allowed Monday through Saturdays. We do not allow hunting on Sundays, and the legal hours for hunting begin 30 minutes prior to sunrise, extending throughout the day until 30 minutes past sunset. All of the hunters have to be in compliance with game licensing and hunter education standards that are set by the Virginia Department of Game and Inland Fisheries. All of the hunters have to go through proficiency testing and qualifications with their weapons to be admitted to the program. Additionally, we run criminal background checks on all of the hunters that apply to the program. We're looking for disqualifying convictions such as weapons charges, animal cruelty charges, domestic violence, child exploitation, or any other felonies. Archery is conducted only at specific assigned sites within the county that are managed by the local park authorities. All of the hunting is conducted from elevated positions such as tree stands, using the ground as a natural backstop. We do not permit hunting from the ground level in any of the Fairfax County parks. Hunting cannot be conducted within 50 feet of an established park trail or within 100 feet of a property line. We use various means to notify the public related to deer management activities. Within the parks themselves, we post signs at the park entrances as well as along trails to notify park patrons that may be visiting these areas. We also send out notification letters in the mail to neighbors that immediately border parks. Archers themselves are required to wear visible lanyards and program ID so that people can see them in the park and know that they're associated with the deer management program. Archers are only allowed to park in designated areas within the park and have to have a visible parking pass displayed on their dashboard at all times to notify people when they're on the property.
Visit the county's website for more information about the deer management program.